Let's understand call, apply, and bind with one example. So here I have calculator object which has brand math pro, and there is one function which is a property for calculator object. But now I have scientific calculator and basic calculator which does not have any add function like we have here, right? But we want to utilize the same add method for this scientific calc object and basic calc object. So here is where you can leverage call, apply, and bind. You don't have to create the same function for these two objects. So this is one charismatic thing in JavaScript. You can borrow the function from this object for these two things. So let's understand the call part. Let me enable it. So now if I say calculator.add, it means I'm here, and now I can just say dot call, and I can pass the context scientific calculator and comma separated arguments like this. And this add method will now become a property, you can say like that, for the scientific calc, and it will print this add function. See, scientific pro, so this is coming from here, this dot brand scientific pro, and 15 plus 25 40. Similarly, we have a apply method. So the difference between call and apply is, here in the call you were passing the arguments as comma separated, but in apply you have to pass as an array. So there is only one difference. So here if you see the same method calculator.add, we are applying dot apply, and we are passing the context, and then we are passing the argument as an array. So now if I save, see, this is now coming for basic calculator, and we are getting the result from this method. Similarly, we have function borrowing of bind. So in simple terms, bind gives you a brand new function instance from this. So when I say calculator.add.bind, it is giving me one function instance which is brand new. This is kind of completely a new instance. So this scientific add is a new method that we have created, and then we are calling with this argument. So if I save now, so this is now coming for scientific pro, right? And then we are having the result here. So the trick here is, if you are confused about why like this called apply and bind, then I would suggest you to remember this. So call, apply, and bind. Call means C for comma separated argument, apply A starts a array of arguments, bind B binds for, this is binding and returning a new function.